Simply put, blockchain and distributed ledger technologies, also known as DLT, are technology platforms that allow for two or more parties to be able to come to consensus on data and process without the need for a centralised system. It ensures each party now owns their data, guaranteeing what you see, I see, a single source of truth. Typically when people refer to DLT, they are looking at business-to-business solutions where a degree of trust already exists. And at a generic blockchain level, which comes in many forms, where there is no established trust between the parties, although just to confuse matters, you can also get enterprise blockchains. DLT-based solutions provide a means for competitors and business partners to collaborate on reducing the frictional costs of coordination and reconciliation across the insurance and reinsurance value chain. It provides a capability to allow brokers, insurers and reinsurers to all reduce their expenses and focus on the value they can bring to their customers and the future growth of their companies. For a long time, the industry has tried to make technology match a business model. Before DLT, when multiple parties wanted to collaborate, who had to use a common centralised service which was typically operated by a third party. While the nature of insurance business practices is peer-to-peer. We've tried in the past to overcome this with messaging protocols, but these cannot provide the required data immutability or guaranteed execution of process. DLT allows us to create business-focused solutions that use a technology which matches the peer-to-peer business model of insurance while ensuring data integrity and privacy without the need for a third party. While there have been lots of articles and speculation about the disintermediation of brokers due to DLT and blockchain, I don't see this as being the case. The brokers hold the relationships with the end customer and have a huge insight to the market trends. Brokers, as opposed to being disintermediated, will likely be the driving force for the mass adoption of collaborative solutions based on DLT. Education in the technology itself should be treated like any other technology platform, but when companies are looking for new operating models, looking at enabling digital transactions, they should evaluate their requirements to find the most suitable platform that will meet their needs, and as such should be aware of the potential of DLT and that it does not come with many of the limitations of traditional business-to-business systems. In the end, the average user of a business system based on DLT will likely never know they're using a DLT platform. Collaboration, collaboration and collaboration. You cannot really do this type of technology on your own, perhaps with the exception of large multinationals which have many separate internal legal entities. One of the challenges I've found is convincing some brokers to realise that this is not about disintermediation but an opportunity for growth. Some of the early projects in the industry incorrectly put forward the case that blockchain will disintermediate the brokers. This was probably due to a lack of understanding of what the services and the value the brokers provide to the end customers who are actually buying the insurance. But in saying that, we're now seeing some brokers get involved in projects supported by blockchain and DLT, and in some cases are actively taking the lead.